Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is going to be about Accenture Recruitment for 2021. If you want to know the details on your own, you can check out the link from the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Freshers Now website and get all the information plus the links to directly apply. All of this at one place in Freshers Now website. Don't forget to check it out, and for regular job updates, join our Telegram channel, link in the description. For you to join us directly, the name of Telegram channel is Freshers Now, so you can head over and join us immediately. Accenture has opened its vacancy for a new associates, so if you are interested to apply for this position, you can head over to checking on the details, check your eligibility and then proceed to apply. We would now head over to the official website and then look over the details here. Job description as mentioned here, the skills required is application hosting operations, Microsoft or robotic process automation. As I've mentioned, the designation is going to be for a new associate and the place of posting or job location is in Bangalore, and then the qualification is any graduate or a BE can apply. If you are a fresher also, you are eligible to apply. Even if you have 1 or 2 years experience, you are eligible to apply. So right from fresh graduates, this position is opened. And here you can see what Accenture is all about. The about section is given here. So Accenture is giving out various exposure and opportunities for fresh graduates, giving them ample of exposure in the job market. So with the leading technology and also an innovative space for all of the candidates and the freshers especially, this is going to be the space for you to inculcate skills and then eventually have a professional career path. If you want to know more about them, you can revolutionize and check them out through the website which is given here. And here it is the main description about what you would be doing. So you will be a part of the technology for operations team and acting as a trusted advisor. So that is going to be the main component or the responsible task of the role. And also you will be partnering up with the Accenture operations. So being in this particular team, what you should be doing? You should be providing innovative and secure technologies in order to help the clients and also build an intelligent operating model driving exceptional results. So resolving all of the issues and also making sure the component solutions are given to the clients working in this particular operations team. They also work with sales, offering and also delivering teams to identify and also build innovative solutions for the client and for the user. And the application hosting operations team, they would be enabling the customers success by offering managing hosting services which are included in infrastructure and platform, giving out dynamic data centers, expansion of existing services, product support, suppliers management and application operations, infrastructure services, etc. So all of this is going to be dealt in the particular team. And also hosting up and services portfolios with high value services, which includes virtual machine database, web and desktop hosting, demand virtualization services and networking services. AHOs will also be having the ability to differentiate and also scale up their client requirements. So that would be another prioritized task that you should be looking into, and then multiple options proposals to the client success and productivity in the future endeavors. And then the position is considered on an automating business process using robotic process automation tools, and this role also includes writing code, C#, VB.NET, .NET. So all of these which includes part and parcel of the position. You would be also involving with RPA tools in order to design the process flow and also to write code to create technical documentation and provides an end automation. So all of this are included in this position, whitelist individually and also as working as a team. So what exactly the company is looking in for is mentioned here. Incident management, ability to establish strong client relationships so that you would be understanding, making up critical thinking and also meeting the needs of the client. Ability to work well in a team. So as I've mentioned, not only this is an independent role, but you should be eventually working as a team to understand the core components of all of the team members, their ideas and how they are putting them into action. And then it would be of a great value if you are proficient in robotics process automation, RPA. So if you are well aware of the tools and how they are being implemented, the market trends, and also the various other patterns which are related to it, that would be of a great use, and it might also sound like they might give a further preference up to my knowledge. And the roles and responsibilities are as follows. So as you can see, the prior roles are, you would be required to solve the problems and also resolve the issues which the client is facing, or in the particularly in a team, referring with the general guidelines of the company or with the particular team. You would be also interacting with your team and also the direct supervisor who is taking up all of this responsibility, and then you would be given detailed instructions or the guidelines that needs to be carried out according to the project that you are working on, and those particular decisions or those particular critical analysis would be reflecting on the work that you are doing. And then you would be also well versed with the basic statistics and terms which are involved on a day-to-day basis, and also along with that day-to-day businesses while using the discussing with the stakeholders as well. So you would be understanding the core components and essentials which are required for you to build up a platform for yourself in order to be responsible for the day-to-day businesses or the activities that are being carried out. You would be working closely with the project members and also making sure that you are delivering on the requirements according to the guidelines. You would be an individual contributing to the part of the team. So I was kept on mentioning this, I will be keep on mentioning that this position is not only just an individual perspective or an individual outlook, but it is wholly contributed as a team. So as an individual, you have to make your part in your contribution and also working along with the team, giving out the final results or the solution, which will be primarily focused on the scope of the work or the scope of the project that you are working into. And please note that this particular job role is required on a rotational shift basis. So only if you are interested in this, please head over to apply. So now that you have understood all of this, you can just head over for the application part. Any graduate can apply. I've mentioned that already. So if you are interested, you can just apply now. You can click that, and then you would be further redirected to this particular page. So if you already have an account, you can just log in directly with the Accenture account, your email and your password. So if you don't have an account, you can start your application by signing up here. So if you want to apply, you have to first create your profile in Accenture. First, you have to fill in all the basic essentials, which is your email address, and then putting in your email address, you would be sent in a verification code to your email, and then further on, you can start up your application process. Whitelist, when I have told you, you can just directly log in. So that is how you start your application process. And further, if you have any sort of questions for us, you can place them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.